So anytime you want to activate your WebKit account, just click right here in the click right where you have that earn, here. You click right here, okay? So as soon as you click right here, it's going to take you to this page where you see this click here to pay now. So go ahead and click here to pay now. As soon as you click on that section, it's going to take you right here, okay? Now this section where you have this pay with your wallet is when you have already deposited money into your wallet and then you want to make the payment automatically from your wallet. But if you haven't done any payment into your wallet before, just click on where you have this 100% secure online payment, okay? I hope that is clear enough. So you click on there, it's going to take you to right here, okay? Now this option is going to be given to you to insert your card details. I don't prefer this. Now go ahead and change it to another payment method, okay? Don't use this payment method. Don't use it. Come here and use this payment method. That change. Click on that change payment method. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to the next step where another section is going to load that an account number will be given to you. All right. An account will be designated for you to make payments, for you to make a sum of 1,000 naira. So you have to make a sum of 1,000 naira to this account number, and this is the Hawkit international account details that you will be sending the money to. So as soon as you send that money to this account, your Hawkit balance is going to be credited automatically, okay? So now when you are sending, as soon as you copy these details and you've made the payment, come down here, come back to the app, the Hawkit app, come down here and click on this I have made this bank transfer. So as soon as you make that bank transfer, congratulations, you receive this message, okay? Now when this message pops out, what you have to do is this: log out of the app, or you have just off the app and log in again, or just log out of the app and then log in again. I hope that is clear enough. So when you log out of the app and log in again, your balance is going to be credited automatically and you'll be notified, giving a message that your account has been credited. Now this is the message that you'll be given. Now when this message is given to you, congratulations, you are now a full member of Hawkit. Just click right here, verify the number that you want to be using permanently in the Hawkit app. Alright, verify that number here. Then when you insert that number, go ahead and click on update number. Your number will be updated automatically. But if there is any issue along the line, just head over here and contact their support. They do reply as fast as possible. Alright, so that's it. So you receive this message after updating your app that your phone number has been updated. Alright, now when you receive this message, just log out, log in again, and then afterwards your account is going to be verified. You will now be having access to all of the features right here. You now be earning with this platform, okay? So whenever I want to start earning, just click on earn daily by, click on this section or click on this section. You can see available tax. So currently there are about 2,700 total tax available in the platform. You can start making money by just clicking on this perform tax and learn. When you click on this section, you will see all the available tax you can start making money from, okay? So that's it, guys. This is how you perform your this is how you activate your wallet. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ensure you join the Telegram group where I do post early updates. All right, see you in the next video.